Welcome back to Food and Nutrition Expert Channel. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is 5 health benefits of nutmeg and how to incorporate it in our meals. Number 1, nutmeg boosts brain health. Nutmeg contains compounds like myristicin that may help improve memory and protect the brain from degenerative disease. Number 2, nutmeg improves digestion. It helps relieve indigestion, bloating, and gas. It also promotes a healthy gut. Number 3, nutmeg promotes better sleep. Nutmeg has calming properties. A pinch in warm milk can naturally induce restful sleep. Number 4, nutmeg supports oral health. Nutmeg has antibacterial properties that fight harmful bacteria in the mouth, helping to prevent cavities and bad breath. Number 5, nutmeg contains anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. Nutmeg helps detox the liver and kidneys and reduces inflammation in the body, promoting overall wellness. Now, how can you use nutmeg in your meals? How can you use nutmeg to cook your food? All right, now listen to how to incorporate nutmeg into your meals. Number 1, in warm milk, when you get your warm milk or tea, during nighttime or anytime, you add grounded nutmeg inside it. Add a pinch of ground nutmeg to a cup of warm milk or herbal tea before bed for better sleep and digestion. Number 2, in baked goods, use nutmeg in banana bread, muffins, or cakes to add a warm, nutty flavor. Number 3, use nutmeg in oatmeal or breakfast cereal. Sprinkle a dash of nutmeg into your morning oats or granola for a boost of antioxidants and flavor. Number 4, use nutmeg in soups and stew. Add a small amount to creamy soups like pumpkin or potato soup or hearty stew for a subtle depth of flavor, or any kind of stew or soup. Number 5, in smoothies, add a pinch to your fruits smoothies, especially those with banana. Add especially those with banana, apple, and other smoothies. Okay, see you next time. Thank you. Bye.